Suppose the charge of a proton and an electron differ slightly. One of them is minus E and other is E plus delta E. Right. If the net electrostatic force and the gravitational force between two hydrogen atoms placed at a distance d apart is 0, then delta E is of the order of C. Here we have hydrogen atom, and as per the question, the charge of proton and an electron differ slightly. So let us assume the charge of electron is minus E, which is on the orbit. Okay, so it's a hydrogen atom and both are hydrogen atoms, so both has electron in the orbit having minus charge, that is minus E. Right. Now it is given that the charge of proton and electron is differ by delta E. That is, if I assume that the charge of electron is E, then the charge of proton is E plus delta E. So here I have written E plus delta E. So E plus delta E is the charge of the nucleus, that is the charge of the proton inside the nucleus. So what is the total charge of one hydrogen atom? So the total charge of one hydrogen atom is the charge of electron plus the charge of proton. So what is the charge of electron? It is E minus. What is the charge of proton? It is E plus delta E. So E and E will get cancelled. So charge of one hydrogen atom is delta E. So now we have two hydrogen atom, one having charge delta E, other is also having charge delta E. Both are separated by distance d as per the question. Then what is the electrostatic force between them? So that is F is equals to K Q1 Q2 by d square, that is K delta E square by d square. And let us assume mH is the mass of hydrogen atom. So we have two hydrogen atoms separated by distance d. Then what is the gravitational force between them? So Fg is equals to Gm1m2 by d square, where mH is the mass of each hydrogen atom. But it is given that the net force is 0. It means the electrostatic force is balanced by gravitational force. Now what is the electrostatic force here? K delta E square by d square. And what is the gravitational force? G mH square by d square. So if you put them here, so d square will get cancelled. So K delta E square is equals to G mH square. Now if you make delta E as a subject, then delta E square is equals to G mH square by K. So we have put value of G, then mass of hydrogen atom, which is the mass of one proton, divided by the value of K. Now here the students will do mistake. See, don't calculate this, right? Don't calculate this. Just check the power. So here we have under root 10 raised to minus 11. Here it is 10 raised to minus 27 square. That is minus 27 into 2. It is 10 raised to minus 54. And here it is 10 raised to minus 9. Okay, so if you add this, you will get under root minus 10 raised to minus 74. 10 raised to minus 74. And 10 raised to minus 74 under root is 10 raised to minus 37. So your nearest answer is B. Okay.